Welcome to Animalia Time Capsule, where creatures of every kind tell their ancient, fascinating stories. Today we're diving into a realm that feels like a dream, or a sci-fi movie. They drift through oceans like ghosts. No heart, no brain, no bones. And yet they've ruled the seas for over 500 million years. Say hello to the strange, stunning, and sometimes dangerous world of jellyfish. Let's get something clear first. Jellyfish aren't actually fish. They're invertebrates belonging to a group called cnidarians, which includes corals and sea anemones. Imagine a soft, translucent umbrella with trailing ribbons. That's the basic jellyfish body plan. But don't let their simplicity fool you. They have no brain, no lungs, and no central nervous system, yet they've survived mass extinctions and shaped marine ecosystems for hundreds of millions of years. So, how do they do it? Here's where it gets wild. Jellyfish navigate, hunt, and even mate without a brain. Instead, they use a network of nerves called a nerve net, allowing them to detect light, gravity, and touch. Their bodies are made up of 95% water, and instead of eyes, some species have light-sensitive organs that help them sense the world around them. Think of it like a living satellite dish, floating and scanning the ocean. Some jellyfish light up like neon lanterns in the dark. This isn't just for show, it's called bioluminescence. That glow can distract predators, attract prey, or even communicate. The Atolla jellyfish, for example, flashes a brilliant blue when threatened. It's like a living emergency alarm screaming, "Help!" into the sea. And here's a fun fact. Scientists actually use jellyfish bioluminescent proteins in medical research to study cells. These humble drifters are helping decode human diseases. Among the most mind-blowing jellyfish is the Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the immortal jellyfish. When injured or old, it can reverse its life cycle, turning its adult body back into a baby, a process called transdifferentiation. It's like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar. This doesn't mean they never die. Predators and disease still pose a threat, but under the right conditions, they can reboot their biological clocks again and again. Imagine if humans could do that. Not all jellyfish are harmless. The box jellyfish, especially the species found in Australian waters, can kill a human in just a few minutes with its venomous sting. Their tentacles can stretch up to 10 feet and carry thousands of microscopic harpoons, ready to fire at anything that brushes by. But on the flip side, you've got the moon jellyfish, soft and harmless, often seen drifting in harbors and shallow bays. These are the ones you'll likely spot in aquariums, glowing gently under colored lights. Here's a secret most people don't know. Jellyfish are taking over some parts of the ocean. As climate change warms the seas and overfishing removes their predators, jellyfish populations are booming. In some places, they clog power plants, destroy fishing nets, and even sink boats. But, and here's the twist, jellyfish also help recycle nutrients, feed sea turtles, and keep ecosystems in balance. Like many animals, they're not good or bad. They're a piece of a much bigger puzzle. Jellyfish have existed long before dinosaurs, and they might just outlive us too. Their design is a lesson in adaptation, efficiency, and the power of simplicity. Despite having no brain or bones, they thrive in nearly every ocean on Earth, from the sunny surface to the pitch-black abyss. They challenge what we think life needs to survive, and their secrets might just hold clues for our own future, in science, in medicine, and maybe even space travel. The ocean is full of odd and magical creatures, and jellyfish are just one glowing chapter in the massive story of life on Earth. If you're as fascinated as we are by the incredible adaptations and mysteries of animals, hit that subscribe button and join us here on Animalia Time Capsule, because every creature, even a brainless blob from the sea, has a story to tell. Thanks for diving deep with us today. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.